Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'll share something really useful for Tesla Model Y with you. It's actually a front cooler bag for the front trunk of Tesla Model Y. It's perfectly shaped to fit the front trunk, and when I first showed it to my wife online, when I found this actual products, she was like, we had to buy these products, or we had to buy this cooler bag for our Tesla Model Y. So I finally got it, and I think this is an awesome product to share with everyone. So today I will show you the closer look and the quality of the cooler bag, and then I'll show you where I got them from, and I'll show you all the functionalities, and what can you use it for, and then how it fits in my Tesla Model Y. Let's go. So I got these cooler bags for Tesla Model Y front from Taptest.com, and they also have similar front trunk cooler bags like this for Tesla Model 3, a little bit shorter, but it fits perfectly for Tesla Model 3 front. And if you are interested in getting these cooler bags, you can use my special discount code, that TC10%, to get that extra 10% off for these cooler bags. Alright, now let's continue with the video. So here are the cooler bags for Tesla Model Y front. So this perfectly fits even the height to the shape of the front of the Model Y. So you can put both of them at the same time, or you can just, if you only need one, you can just put one here and you can put something else on this side. The benefit of having it to the shape of the front, so you actually maximize the space for the bags or for the coolers. Let's say you don't need, right? Then you just remove one and you still have half of the front space for something else that you want to store here. But if you need more stuff to cool for camping, then you can put both in there. And both of them have this handle, so if you need to take it out, you can just hold it like this. Or it also came with the strap, the shortest strap. I'll show you real quick. There, so you can carry it on the shoulder also. Let me show you the closer look of the material inside. The zipper is really well built, so it doesn't break anytime soon. You can tell it is good quality on that. And you can see the material inside. It's really well insulated. It's not like one of those cheaper cooler bag that has like a foil texture or foil material inside. Let me show you comparisons. I think I have like a regular bag, not quite a cooler bag like this. Let me show you. So some of the cooler bags for Tesla or for Model Y front that I've seen, a few of them has like a foil material like this inside the bag, which is really doesn't keep the temperature, or it doesn't keep the stuff cool inside that long, and it breaks really easy, like my bags right here. This is shopping bag, but then if some of those cooler bags you've seen in the market or Amazon, they have a foil material like this, don't get them. They don't last that long. So there's a huge difference between this and this. This is a better, way better material to keep the stuff nice and cool in here, and it's great quality built. That fabric outside is really strong and tough, so it's something's really easy to clean if you get it dirty. And yeah, let me show you how I would use these bags in my Model Y. So when I found this Taptest website, I also found this really useful and awesome rear passenger protection pads for Model Y. As you can see, the original on the inside is actually like a fuzzy carpet material on the inside, so it's really hard to clean. So with this pad on, you can just step on and then just, you know, wipe clean easily. So I'll put the link of these awesome pads in the description down below too. These cooler bags are also perfect for grocery shopping. So the bags will keep your grocery, vegetables, fruits fresh and cool in the bag. So I have strawberries and the vegetables here. So everything will be cool here for a while. You know, let's say you're going somewhere further from your house and you don't have to actually worry about your grocery, you know, being hot in the car. And it has these awesome straps that you can just pick up the whole bag and then just take the whole grocery or everything in the bag with you. I can also use this at the park, my daughter's soccer games or picnicking, camping. You can put the ice pack in here, put drinks in here to keep everything nice and cold for your park activities or camping activities. Unfortunately, I tested it. It's not waterproof, but it can still keep the drinks really cold for a long time. So you can just use it and then take the drinks, cold drinks at the park. I'm glad I found these cooler bags for my Tesla Model Y. My wife's really happy. We are happy because we're gonna use this a lot for grocery shopping, of course, and then road trips sometimes, camping, picnicking. So it's really useful cooler bags for my car. And again, I'll put the link of this awesome cooler bag in the description down below. Also special discount code for you. Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. Don't forget to click like if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe for future content, and don't forget to check out this awesome new merch right below this video. We'll see you on the next video. Peace. You want to check out the video that you may like? Please click over here. And you want to check out the recent video? You can click right over here. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to Dad's Toys and Cars. Click right over here. Thanks again. We'll see you later.